telling you.
Go ahead.
It's on.
Yeah, okay. Is it gonna be quick? Yep. Alright, cool. Oh, fucking.
Stop freaking out, girl. I'm telling you what, you're gonna feel so stupid afterwards.
1, 2.
The worst part's right there.
It's almost, it's true, but it's just I want to go around the bend.
Bam, now you got your nose pierced. You made it sound worse than it was. He's like, Someone's putting eye makeup on, huh?
Right.
How bad did it hurt?
Not that bad, but.
It's like someone's yanking your nose hairs out.
Yeah. How do you like that, YouTubers?
You want to check it out?
Yeah. Oh, shitty. Oh, yeah. I like that. Cool. Yeah, it feels like a booger in your nose.
It does. You're gonna fucking. I play with mine all the time.
Oh, God.
All right,
my
then.
face.
Yeah,
you
take
go.
a seat.
I'm not ready for this.
Oh,
one.
man.
I'm so sorry.
God damn it, Mariah.
I'm so sorry. Is it still going?
Yeah, it's still going. I just recorded the floor and my shoes.
Alright,
and-
stop that. Yeah, that's it.
Here, have it.
Alright. Shitty.